Hello everyone, thank you for watching, appreciate your time. Here we are again with the fuel pump for the 03 Celica GTS 1.8 6-speed. It has to be replaced. There's your level, your sending unit with the leveler for your fuel level. It does work. So my colleague here is going to remove the factory no good fuel pump. Here we are with our replacement. It is an El Cheapo. Sorry, we don't have Walboro money or anything else, or AEM money. So, and the car just needs to drive. It needs to move. So obviously you pull out the old one, the new one pretty much goes. See the hole? See that? It goes right in there. Right? And there's your rubber grommet. There you go. Squeeze it in. Done. It's that simple, guys and gals. Anybody can change it. It's not hard. You just have to do it. Get in there and do it. Here's your rubber bushing for the bottom that you would put, and well, the most important thing of all on the bottom of this fuel sending unit is our colleague. What do you refer to these? What do you refer to these to? It's basically a snap ring. Yes. Okay. Why am I so far? Okay. It's packaged very well. There it is. Do not lose it. It's double packaged, and hence the reason why is because it is a very important piece of this. And without this little snap ring, there you go. That's actually a snap ring. It's not called. But anyway, you know what? I'm just curious. I'm curious, watchers. What exactly is that called? Let me know in the comments. But sorry, I don't have the comments on yet. So. Here we go, moving forward. We're going to try not to destroy our fingers, and we're going to stretch it on there. Ta-da. Ta-da. I think we have to go a little bit deeper. Yes, we do. So we're just going to use a needle nose or something of that nature, or a socket. It works great, usually like a 7 mil, 8 mil. And you just tap it down without breaking the actual pump filter. Okay. And my wonderful colleague here has found what he wants to use. Look at that, people. Look at that, ladies and gents. Look at that, beautiful. One little tap for love. Wow. Look how much is sticking through. Nice. That's how you do it. Okay. All right. We'll come back to you with this installed, and we'll go from there. Thank you for watching.